I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier and phone support data during voice calls. This is why VoLTE LTE matters. Once done, open Settings and go to Mobile Network or Connections, then Advanced Options. Look specifically for VoLTE LTE, Enhanced 4G, or A Data During Calls toggle. Turn that option on and make sure mobile data is enabled at the top. You're doing this so voice stays on the native network while data flows. This reduces dropped data during calls and keeps apps alive. Next, you adjust network details that affect simultaneous data. First, check your APN matches carrier defaults. Wrong APN can block data during calls. Edit, save, and reboot if needed. Then set preferred network to LTE or 4G so VoLTE LTE stays primary. Only allow 3G fallback when essential. Also, disable battery saver, data saver, or VPNs that may pause background traffic while you're on a call. Doing these steps ensures continuity. Your voice channel remains active, and finally, you validate the setup with a practical test. Place a short call and simultaneously load a web page or stream a small audio clip. Observe whether data continues. If not, toggle VoLTE LTE or Enhanced 4G off and on, reboot the phone, then retest. If that fails, reset APN settings to defaults and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: call your carrier if problems persist. Provide them with your device model, firmware, and any error messages so they can check network provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.